Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning all. Okay, this is Business Mathematics 1 video number 3, LGB 11103. Then the title of this video is Markup with Spoilage. I'm Madam Fauzia Binti Abdul Rahman. I'm teaching Bachelor of Maritime Operations student for September 2014 semester. Okay, what is markup with spoilage? Okay, in the large scale production, it is not uncommon to see defect in the certain percentage of the manufactured product. When this happens, the management either discard the defective items or sell them at the reduced price. However, in both cases has a percentage of the markup to achieve. How? The price of the remaining non-defective items then adjust according in order to achieve the targeted markup. Okay, so now look at to the example number 1. Okay, so previous class, sorry, I choose the point option pen in color first. So I use black color, and then we have pointed pen, right? Okay, so this example 1 is markup with a spoilage. Okay, so we have to remember again what is formula for markup. So for general idea of markup, we have to use 3-line method. Okay, so first line should be equation. So C plus MU markup equal to the selling price, right? Okay, so a cake shop baked 18 cakes at a cost 11 ringgit each. Okay, so this we can find the cost. Okay, however, the icing for 3 of the cakes was not properly done. Okay, we have 3 defect cakes, 3 improper cakes. Okay, then the selling price of this cake was set as 10 ringgit. So the 3 cakes which is improper or not properly done, we have to selling that cake at 10 ringgit. If the shop wants to mark up of 40% on cost, calculate the price for each of the remaining cakes. Okay, we have 40% markup on cost here. Okay, so first line is the equation, second line is the percentage. We have markup on cost, so we have put 100% on cost. Alright, then we have markup 40%. Okay, plus it, and then we can get 140% in selling price. Right? So the second part, the second layer, the second equation is percentage, and the last. Okay, the last third equation is the price or the value. Okay, what is the cost? Okay, total cost we have to calculate 11 ringgit times 18k, so that we can get 198 ringgit. 198 ringgit. Okay, so you put under cost. The third line is 198 ringgit, and then we can find the markup or selling price. So now we aim to find the selling price. So the total selling price should be okay. So 140. Look at the selling price percentage. Okay, we compare to cost percentage times the value of percentage. Okay, then we can get 277 ringgit 20 cents. So this is total selling price for all cakes, right? But please remember we have improper icing cake. Improper icing cake, we have 3, right? Okay, 3 cakes. Alright, so what we have to do is to find the total selling price for total selling price for improper selling cake. Okay, FP stands for selling price for improper cake. Okay, we have to selling at 10 ringgit each. So 3 times 10, then we can get RM 30 ringgit. Okay, so that from that particular value, we can find the selling price for the remaining cake. Okay, so selling price for the remaining cake is total selling price RM 277.20 cents. You have to minus with the improper cake total selling price RM 30 ringgit. Then you have to divide by the remaining cake, numbers of remaining cake. 18 minus with 3 cakes improper icing cake. Then we have RM 16 ringgit 48 cents. Alright. So look at the previous one. We have 3-line method, C plus MU. Okay, then we have total selling price for all cakes. Alright, then we have proper icing cake, 3 cakes. Then we have to find the total selling price of the improper cakes equal to 30 ringgit. And then for that, from here, we can get the selling price for remaining cake equal to 60 ringgit 48 cents. Okay, now we look at example 2. Okay, a nursery purchased 180 pots at a total cost of 183 ringgit 20 cents. Then after delivery, the nursery discovered 12 pots were broken. So from here, we can get the numbers of pots equal to 150 pots. And then the total cost equal to 183 ringgit 20 cents. This is your cost. Okay, after that we have the nursery discovered 12 pots broken. So defect. So this is defect pot, broken pot. We have 12 numbers of the pot. These were then thrown away. So we don't have to sell it because it's already broken. Then how much should be the selling price of each pot if the nursery wants a 28% markup on the selling price? Okay, what we have to do is we have to use a 3-line method. C cost plus markup equal to the selling price. Okay, so C is, okay, now look at to the percentage, 28% markup on the selling price. So selling price should be 100% and 28% should be in markup. Okay, so 100 minus 28, then we can get 72% on cost, right? Okay, then we have total cost here, 183 ringgit 20 cents. 183.20. So this is your cost. Then we can find the total selling price from here. The total selling price should be selling price for each pot. For the total pots equal to 100 divided by 72% times 183.20. So then we can get 254 ringgit 44 cents. So this is total selling price. Okay. Okay, so now look at the defects. Okay, we have 12 pots. So numbers of defect pot or broken pot equal to 12. So numbers of non-defect pot equal to 180 minus 12, then we get what? 168. Okay, then we have a selling price here, selling price for each pot. equal to, okay, now we have how many total selling price? Okay, 254 ringgit 44 cents. Then we have to divide by the non-defective part equal to 166. So finally we get RM 1 ringgit 51 cents per point. Okay, so the idea is you have to use three-line method here to find the total selling price. Then we get total selling price. After that, we have to find the numbers of non-defective part, okay, equal to 168. After that, we can find the selling price for each part by divide the total selling price with the non-defective numbers of non-defective part. Then finally, we get the answer. Okay, so this is the exercise. You can do it at home or at your hostel. Okay, exercise this is exercise number 1. A florist ordered 12 dozen flowers for a total cost of 84 ringgit. After delivery, the florist discovered 2 dozen of the flowers were not on the correct color. These flowers are sold at 8 ringgit per dozen. Still so, if the florist wants a markup of 50% on the selling price, calculate the price per dozen of the remaining flowers. Okay, you can try it at home. Okay, for reference, I use Zain Ibrahim and Daud Muhammad books. Okay, the title of the book is Business Mathematics from 2008, and the publisher is McGraw-Hill, Malaysia, Siam Berhad. Thank you very much.